Welcome to Phansi, where you can experience the breathtaking rice terraces and the enchanting landscapes of Sapa, Vietnam, and where modern luxury meets nature's tranquility. Perched above floating clouds and nestled amidst the terraced fields and majestic mountains, Phansi offers a glamping and dining experience like no other. As far as the eye can see is the panoramic view of Sapa's lush valleys and cascading rice fields. Intoxicate yourself with fresh mountain air while your eyes capture the hypnotic natural beauty of the flowing valley on the edge of paradise. Explore this stunning wonderland for yourself for a travel experience you will never forget. Take advantage of this unique opportunity to combine comforts of glamping with the magnificence of Sapa's natural beauty. But hold on, that's not all. Phansi's bar and restaurant is also a food lover's paradise. Guests are invited to come in and feast on some of Sapa's favorite local delicacies in this magical setting while enjoying some of Vietnam's most spectacular views. The menu boasts a variety of delicious food and drink to indulge in while you float through the clouds. Savor the aroma of sizzling barbecue and a variety of local delicacies to help you celebrate in the open sky. From the cozy lounge area to enjoying a drink by the campfire, every nook and cranny of Phansi tells the story of relaxation, connection, and culinary delight. If nighttime is more your style and you're in the mood for a unique experience, set sail with Phansi for a romantic evening dinner cruise. Climb aboard and see if you can count all the stars in the sky. You never know where you might end up. Discover the magic of Phansi, where memories are made and the soul of Sapa comes alive. Phansi, escape the ordinary, embrace the extraordinary.